Guys, this is LFC fans for LFC fans, and as you can tell by the title, in this video we're going to be talking about Jordan Henderson. I'm not going to go into too much depth, but yeah, basically I used to be really scared of what would happen when Gerrard retired, because I thought as soon as Gerrard retired, we've got no pass master. Then we signed this guy called Jordan Henderson, and no one liked him. He played on the right wing and he was terrible. I wanted him gone. So yeah, he didn't play. Kenny signed him and he played on the right wing and he was terrible. So then this season and last season, he swapped into the central midfield role and he's been absolutely amazing. Jordan Henderson has been world class for Liverpool. All he needs to work on is his physicality. If Gerrard gets hit, Gerrard will get back up. Jordan Henderson may roll on the floor for a bit or something like that. Yeah, his fitness is brilliant. He can pass just as well as Gerrard. He scores goals, as we saw yesterday at the Swansea game. And yeah, his fitness is brilliant. He's as fit as Dirk Kuyt used to be. He could just keep running and running and running. So yeah, this has been our first real episode. I've got a new series coming up as well. It's just, I don't know what I'll call it. It'll be something like Away Days, and it's going to be basically videos of me showing you the grounds that I go to for Liverpool away games and that. So yeah, look forward to that, but that won't come until next season. Yeah, subscribe, and yeah, bye.